All right, guys, we're going to cut the crap. It's Taco Thursday. Been another great trading week, and we're not looking to make this complicated, right? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple three-step process that any idiot, including me, can master in one day, okay? Identify your long signal, step 1. Draw your retracement zone, step 2. Wait for that retracement, step 3. Now, if your brain doesn't hurt from processing those three super ultra complicated PhD level of understanding type of steps, and you're still with me, let's go ahead and watch the rest of this video. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you here on a lovely Thursday. Hope you guys are having a fantastic trading week. It was yet another week for massive volatility. I mean, we basically saw 100-point moves on the NQ, 500-point moves on the Dow, pretty much every day this week. And I think I did a video last week where I said to you guys, you know, when you have an amazing trading week, when you basically just fucking kill it by Thursday and including Thursday, just take the rest of the week off, man. Honestly, I am being 100% serious about that. I know that a lot of you guys like to trade on Friday because, you know, you got the weekly options expiration and you got the market makers trying to push it around and do this, that, and the other. But sometimes the smart play is just to enjoy the fact that you've had a great trading week and you made money every day trading successfully, and you're getting closer and closer to that goal of truly becoming a master of price action trading and trend trading without using any indicators at all, right? Don't ever let me catch you using this bullshit chart right here, okay? Leave that for people that generally don't have the desire or the motivation to succeed at trading. Let them trade this kind of bullshit chart while you focus on this chart like a true professional, all right? So what I want to get into this week is to try to answer a question that I get asked frequently. In fact, this is probably one of the top 5 questions I get, and that is, hey Mark, how long do the retracements take? And that's a damn good question because a lot of you guys are, okay, the reality is a lot of you guys are used to trading minute-based charts, what I call bullshit charts, right? Whether it's a 1 minute, a 5 minute, a 15 minute, whatever the case is, a lot of you guys are asking me questions related to time, and I hate to break it to you guys, all right? This shouldn't be news to those of you that I've talked to or to those of you that have seen my video tutorials on how to properly understand, trade, and execute on price action only, which has nothing to do with time, right? But I thought I'd answer that question anyway, so that you guys can get a good handle on what exactly does it take to nail the retracement, right? So what I've gone ahead and done is I've taken this retracement area and I've drawn it in our smaller time frame chart, right? Don't forget, this is our smaller time frame price action chart, aka the T-bars. And everything you see in between these two vertical lines, in fact, let me just go ahead and make them just a little bit thicker so you guys can clearly see this retracement area, okay? Everything between these two lines, that's the retracement, okay? That was when you look at the chart and you realize that, oh shit, the retracement's underway, right? So guys, don't ever forget that in order to succeed at trading, you always have to have a higher time frame approach, like we do on the Dino bars, and a smaller time frame approach to drill down on a microscopic level and take the entry. That's just how you have to do it. Why do you have to do it like that? Well, for 2 reasons. Number 1, helps you identify a trend within the context of a potentially massive move. But also, when you drill down on a very microscopic level, you guys know what's coming next, right? It helps you keep your stops really fucking tight. I can't tell you how important that is to keep your stops tight. A huge majority of you guys do not use stops, and you wonder why you continuously blow out accounts. You have to use stops, period. Okay? So if we go back and we try to follow our 3-step process, which is identify the trend, draw the retracement zone, and wait for the physical retracement, then everything you see here in the higher time frame chart was drawn in the smaller chart. Okay? I think that's pretty simple for most of you guys to comprehend and understand. We're not doing brain surgery here. This is simply taking a top-down approach to your trading, which I personally find to be the most successful method ever in trading. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. All right? We're looking to draw a downward sloping trend line that looks like this, right? Because we're a buyer. How do we know we're a buyer? Well, we go back to our three-step process. Step one, identify the signal. And obviously, this is going to tell you that, hey, boss, it's time to look for longs and only longs, right? Shame on you if you try to sell this market when it's telling you to be a buyer, okay? So the rest of it's pretty simple, guys. I think you know what comes next, right? All you do is you draw every single one of these pivot points across the board and you just keep connecting them, right? So you would have connected this one and this one, right? And then nothing happened there. So you would have connected that one to that one, right? And then you got another one here. So this one becomes invalid and you draw the very final trend line just like that. Okay? And check out the time zones too, right? This is about 10:40 a.m. to about 11 a.m. That's 20 minutes, okay? So what was the question that I posed to you at the very beginning of this video? I said, we're going to take a look and we're going to really analyze how long does a retracement take. Now, this one happened to take 20 minutes. Not much time, right? Some of the other ones may take 2 hours. Some other ones beyond that, you may never even get a retracement, right? You look at this short signal here, right? Nailed the fucking sell-off, but you didn't get anything for a retracement, right? You didn't get anything at all. Some of you guys probably might have taken this little tip there, but I certainly didn't take that. I wish I took it, and I didn't take that today. This one here was a no-brainer, okay? And back to our smaller time frame chart. You wait for the price to break that trend line, which is right there. You place your stop right there. Okay? And if I squish this in, you can see what happened to this market. Right? Spent the rest of the day just taking off like a rocket ship for like 80 points. It's almost $6,000 just trading a few contracts, trading a few lots. Okay? So again, guys, when we go back to our master chart, this is a thing that I find myself saying to almost every one of you guys that contacts me personally, and we have a great conversation. At the end of the day, what you want to do to find success in your trading is not sit there and watch YouTube videos all day long, right? I mean, assuming that you're serious about trading and you want to make money doing this as a full-time day trader, which plenty of people do very successfully, right? To do it successfully, you want to have a simple approach. You don't want to trade garbage like this, ever. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. These type of price action based charts, okay, what I like to call professional trend trading type of charts, is a piece of software that will make a difference in your trading almost on day one, right? I keep having to remind you guys that there's nothing complicated about anything I've shown you today or any one of the other hundreds of videos that you've seen. This is simply a 3-step process. Wait for the signal, draw the zones, and wait for that retracement. If you can master that, and I think all of you can, then I feel pretty good about saying that I can almost guarantee that you're going to find success in trading quickly, and you're going to look at the markets like a professional day trader, which is treating the market as a business and jumping in on these trends as much as you can, as often as you can, and squeezing every single dollar as you can. And you do all of this every day, every week, every month by not complicating your trading, by keeping it simple, and by following the 3 easy steps. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.